So guys, I also have to cover my fishes. They are my pet. So let's do it. Hello, hello fishes. Sorry, I'm gonna cover your house. It's gonna get cold. Okay, guys, now get covered. I know you will get cold. Okay guys, so I use this clip again. We're done covering my fish pond. Good night fishes, stay warm. So guys, we feed, they don't eat it, they stay at the bottom because they're very cold. And at the winter, they don't really like to eat because they hibernate and they stay at the bottom. So I'm just gonna clean up the food. Okay, see? There's a lot of food in here that they don't eat. Guys, and our fish is alive. All is complete. All is well and alive. There you go. Go eat. Here they are kicking now. Let's add the water because the water volume is not enough. It evaporates. So. Fish is hungry from the winter hibernation. So look, they eat. I just gave them food and they're eating. Wait. Oh, the pleco died. Oh my god, the pleco did it survive or what? Oh, I see. I think it did it survive right there. Hey pleco, you die? My pleco died, guys. Made it survive, see? That one floating. Did it survive in the winter? We're gonna take it out in the fish pond. Okay guys, let's go get the fish that is died. Guys, it died during the snowstorm. Let's see guys, right here guys, see? during the snowstorm. It died. So we have no more algae eater in the fish pond. I'm gonna bury this fish.
Cold.
Yeah, died from the cold. So guys, I buried the plico fish in the hole right there that I made, that I dig underneath the bayaba trees, guava trees. This also serves as the nutrients when it decomposed to the guava tree. It already smells, guys, so I think this died a couple of days ago. It's not enough. We dig some more. Rest in peace, Plico. Here we go. Somebody eat it too, maybe a cat, because when I buried it, the soil was intact, and now burrow there, like something was digging it, you know. So see, somebody ate my fish. I don't know, maybe a cat, raccoons, or maybe a bird, who knows. So thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.